In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a campaign on Google Ads. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Google Ads website. Once you're there, sign in to your Google Ads account. After logging in, take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct account, especially if you manage more than one. This is important because making changes in the wrong account can affect the wrong campaign. Next, wait for the Google Ads dashboard, also known as the overview page, to fully load. Let everything appear completely before clicking around, so the platform responds properly and all current campaign data is visible. From the left-hand navigation menu, click on Campaigns. This will open the list of campaigns in your account. Select the specific campaign you want to edit, then click the Settings option for that campaign. This is where you'll manage the main campaign level details. Start by reviewing the campaign name and update it if needed. A clear name can make campaign management much easier, especially if you're running multiple promotions or targeting different audiences. Then check the conversion goals. Make sure the campaign is optimized for the actions that matter most to your business, such as purchases, leads, or other valuable outcomes. After that, review the customer acquisition settings and update your marketing objectives if necessary. These settings help guide how Google Ads supports your campaign goals, so it's worth making sure they still align with your current strategy. Now adjust the network settings. Depending on the campaign, you may choose search, display, or both. Then update your location targeting based on the audience you want to reach and adjust the language settings so they match the users most likely to respond to your ads. Continue by reviewing your budget and bidding strategy. This step can directly affect both performance and spending, so make changes carefully. If your campaign is tied to a promotion or event, also check the start and end dates to make sure the timing is still correct. Next, review the keywords and ad group settings for relevance. This helps ensure your campaign remains focused and aligned with what your audience is actually searching for. Once you've finished your updates, click Save or Apply Changes. Then wait for Google Ads to process and update your campaign settings. Finally, verify that all of your edits have been successfully applied so you know everything is set correctly. Thanks for watching.